Welcome back, folks, to Let's Play Awesome Possum, the game that has possum magic. Not high enough.
Check this out.
I'd rather not. Ah, that was not cool.
So cool.
No, you're not! Oh, this guy's gonna make me ill.
Extra life.
Yay. Yet another extra life. Ah, thing's throwing rocks.
That.
That's a jump icon. We'll get that.
Now I can really jump.
Yes, you can, Possum.
I'm gonna clean up this world yet.
We wish you wouldn't, but you're going to clean up this world yet, apparently. Whoa, you're gonna fall! Please fall and crack your spine. Ah! Ah! Soil erosion for you. What's down here?
Ow, my tail hit.
A trap. Let's not do that.
I'm so cool.
No. Some people wonder why I'm so masochistic.
I'm so healthy.
I like to play games like this. Because, folks, I'm here to educate you. That's right, not about the environment. About games like this.
That you techno freak.
You want to avoid this game. Unless you like collecting bad games. I certainly do. I own hard copies of most of the really bad ones. LPing when you've got a cold
Oh, boy.
is difficult. Constant desire to sniffle. God, the hit detection on collecting those things is very generous. What's down here?
Wow, that was incredible.
Ow!
Their noble breath.
What is...
Oh,
Hopefully there's some health down here.
I'm
Yes.
so healthy.
Yes, there is. Good. That made so much sense. I could feel my brain dribbling out of my ear.
Extra life.
Oh, another one. Ah! Soil erosion. Spike traps.
I'm so healthy. Alright.
They were left there by the natives. It's not to do with Dr. Machino.
Keep your heart out, Dr. McGee.
Wow, level over. More bonuses! How far can the blue whale's voice travel underwater? Let's see. Of course it's the most ridiculous answer. More bonus level! That really does look like a normal logging operation.
Now that was really bad.
Ah! God.
I'm so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
What a fall.
This level sucks.
I'm so cool.
You say that one more time, Possum.
Yahoo!
I swear there will be pain.
Check this out. I'm so cool.
You are not!
Extra life.
Another extra life, though.
Oh, boy. Now I'm really fast. Now I can really jump.
Ah! This level's a nightmare!
Cool.
It's worse than the actual level!
I'm so healthy. Amazing.
Good, let's finish it. Well, that was disorientating. Which of the following will help cool a house in summer? Opening the refrigerator door, planting shade trees, painting the house black. You're a fool if you don't select B. Does the common sense answer? Level 3, the last level in this wonderful little world. There are only 4 worlds. 3 levels in each world.
Check this
Let's see, I have 9 lives. Oh, that was a rhinoceros. What's a rhinoceros doing in this game?
Extra life.
Oh well, let's go. Go, rhinoceros! Kill everything! Roar! Yeah. Oh. Oh, he's still there. He's really miffed about something. Well, let's ride him. Until we get to a certain point where we can turn around. Whereupon we can then say, flick me off! Like that. Oh dear. Careful! Careful. Right, so now we destroyed a logging operation.
Now I can really jump.
Oh god, now we're really fast and we can really jump.
Stop polluting.
And there's somewhere around here. There is... My god, have I just avoided like 9/10 of the level? I think I have. That's handy. Ah! I need a checkpoint. No, I said I need a checkpoint.
Black food.
Ow.
Take that, you techno freak.
Where are the checkpoints?
Cut it
Ow! Checkpoint, please!
Oh boy.
Failing that, 10 more bits of garbage.
Wow, that was incredible.
That was incredible! Nah. Hang on.
Wow.
Destroy that before it'll let me do anything.
Yahoo.
Oh. That is the don't do that, or you will.
Yahoo.
That was cheap.
Wow.
I'm gonna do that
That's so
instead.
cool. Extra life.
Yeah! No! Checkpoint there that I missed.
Amazing.
No matter, the boss is here. It's this thing. It's Bob the Builder meets a Transformer.
Techno freak.
And we will kill it. By jumping on it. A lot.
Alright.
Sorry, you need Awesome Possum to do this? Super Mario could do this. Sonic could do this. Heck, Bubsy could do this.
That, you techno freak.
Oh, level over. That wasn't hard.
Oh boy.
Oh boy!
I'm good.
Level over! Why is the narwhal different from his other whale species? It has a long unicorn tusk. It is... Oh, I'll go with A. Wow! That's the answer! I didn't know that. Alright, what's the next level? Surely it's awesome! We are under the sea, and I see that Awesome Possum only needs a fishbowl over his head like Waldo in space.
You're annoying me, Possum.
You're annoying. Ah!
Cut it out.
Kill that.
Wow.
Cheapness personified!
Come on.
Well, I'm going to cut the video off here, folks, because it's a good place to cut it off. So, until next time, folks, we'll save the oceans from Dr. Machino and flying flamethrower
Let's go.
robots. I'm sorry, all 3 of those words do not work when
Let's go.
underwater is applied. Until then, folks, until then.